Hi, I'm Joshua Shorter, Director of Marketing at M2Catalyst. In this short video, I'll be covering the efforts of M2Catalyst to help bridge the digital divide. The United Nations estimates there are 2.9 billion unconnected or underconnected people across the world. At M2Catalyst, our aim is to identify exactly where they are in urban, rural, and remote areas. Access to mobile broadband is viewed by all, and by that, I mean governments, the telecom industry, corporations, educational entities, and citizens alike, as critical for the progress of humanity. Can children excel academically without adequate access to mobile broadband? Can adults work remotely and maintain their jobs without it? Can citizens take advantage of the many health services that are offered via the web without it? The answer in each case is a resounding no. They cannot. Hence, the necessity and the urgency to bridge the digital divide. M2Catalyst has prepared 2 studies to improve understanding of the global digital divide. You can find them both on the M2Catalyst website. In the first, we analyzed the rural and agricultural regions of the world and identify tens of millions of locations down to 1 square kilometer areas where people are unconnected or underconnected. In the second study, we focus on urban city centers around the world where disadvantaged citizens have either no access or very limited access to mobile broadband. Globally, we have identified tens of millions of locations throughout the world that have little or no mobile broadband access at all. And I'm pleased to credit the World Population Database for providing certain source data utilized in our studies. Now, how does M2Catalyst help fix this global problem? We offer mobile network operators free access to fringe and no signal readings for their respective countries. And I can proudly note that we have already provided data for millions of locations worldwide to MNOs at no charge. We also provide, for a fee, more sophisticated algorithms, AI services, and a user-friendly dashboard consisting of cell ID antenna coverage maps, indoor versus outdoor network performance analysis tools, competitive benchmarking tools, and more that enable the rapid analysis of 1,000 locations in under an hour. Join us in this fight to bridge the digital divide and make mobile broadband available to mobile consumers around the world, no matter where they are. For more information, please visit our contact page and fill out the enterprise contact form.